Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify CJ affiliate acceptance and merchant payment method, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your CJ affiliate acceptance, first, log into your CJ affiliate account. Once logged in, navigate to the account section on the dashboard. In the account section, look for the status tab. Here, you'll find details about your acceptance status. If your account is accepted, it will indicate that you are active. If your account is still pending, it may require additional information or time for approval. Next, to verify the merchant payment method, go to the Payment tab. In the Payment section, check for the payment options available to you. You'll see various payment methods listed, such as direct deposit or checks. Make sure to review the details for each option to understand their requirements. Select your preferred payment method by clicking on the appropriate option. Follow the prompts to enter any necessary information for your chosen payment method. It's essential to ensure that your payment information is accurate to avoid delays. After entering your payment details, confirm and save your changes. Once saved, it's a good idea to double-check your payment information. You should also look for any verification emails sent to your registered email address. These emails often contain important information about your account acceptance and payment setups. If you encounter any issues, visit the FAQ section or contact support for assistance. Keep an eye on your dashboard for updates regarding your acceptance status and payment processing. Staying informed will help you effectively manage your CJ affiliate account. This process will ensure you are ready to start earning from your affiliate marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.